Updating your address on Xoom is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow this guide to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Xoom website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select address update. In the account settings, find the option for address or update address. Click on this option to proceed with changing your address. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill in your new address details accurately. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure that your information is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new address is saved in the system. Now your address on Xoom is updated. Remember to check your account periodically to keep your information current.